Hey guys, welcome to Realistic Crypto and another DCA Bot update. So, um, we've not done one of these for just over a week. We've changed the date that these are taking place. Now, this is the first one that we're doing on a Sunday night, and it works better for the weekly stats. So, without further ado, let's just jump in and look at the week. It's been quite an interesting week or so in crypto. Lots of volatility in the market. We'll look at 3Commas first, and then we'll look at Mizar. So 3Commas is predominantly short bots, and then Mizar is long bots. So from a short bot perspective, deals today were down $93. And for the total week, that's down 5 cents. So everything that we've made this week in shorts has been lost. Now we're still up $113 so far this month. So we'll see what that profit number looks like by the end of January. Now, if we just take a quick look at statistics, as always, you can see that projected gains are at $240. Now, it's not great. We've taken a loss. We've still got some active deals in the red as well. So this month, particularly for the short bots, is going to be interesting, dependent on the volatility in the crypto market. So let's wait and see how that goes. If we take a quick look at bots, there's two bots in particular that have caused me some challenges over the last 24 hours, probably 72 hours, the last 3 days really. But they're closed today. So we had one on render and one on key close, one at $60 and one at $41. So taking us to a total loss of just over $100 there. Now, it's not the end of the world. We are still we're still up, but we're still up on the 30 days and we're still up in total. So, this is just a slight setback. We will expect to have some losses. But then if we flip it back the other way and look at the last 7 days of profit, we've got KuCoin Bitcoin builder. Now that is the only long that we've got on this account, and that's aimed at building Bitcoin. So it trades Bitcoin against other altcoins, and then takes profit in Bitcoin. We've then got Flux, MTV, Sol, all in the green. We've got a number of bots that have not made any profit. Now, there's a couple of reasons for this. I mentioned in the last video that some of these were switched, some of these had been accidentally switched off. We need to do a little bit more investigation around these. Given that we're currently in the position that we are in the market, I've left them off for now, and we're going to look at those. And then, like I say, we've already looked at key and render, but again, the losses of the last 24 hours have pulled us into the red for the week as well. Now, if we just take a quick look at active deals, we do have $143.10 in unrealized losses. Now, the majority of that comes from the UBX ETH bot. Now, obviously, we've seen a significant increase in the price of ETH. Not all altcoins have followed suit, so this is caused a further gap between the price of both UBX to ETH. So we're going to leave that to run, and we'll see what happens over the next few weeks in the market. Eventually, it'll catch up. But we'll just leave that running. Not too concerned about that. The other ones, we've got the $27.50 loss here on one of the Bitcoin builder pairs. That is due to expire tomorrow at some point, so we'll see where we end up there. Now that's it for the short bots and the Bitcoin builder bot. We're going to jump into Mizar and have a look at that. So we've got this currently filtered by weeks, and so far in this week we've made $100 in longs, and at a high level I'm quite surprised that we've made $100. So a lot of these bots are reliant on price being in the oversold territory on certain time frames. And as a result of that, and given the fact that everything's pumping in the market, we've not hit lots of safety orders. So we've had lots of deals open, lots of deals closed, but not hit a lot of safety orders. So I think in the right market conditions, this could be significantly higher. But again, we're looking at $100 for this week. We drill down just quickly into days and have a look. We've had profitable days all the way from the 4th of Jan through to today, where we've got a $27 profit. And if I just take a quick look at those bots, so we've made $107 on the KuCoin DCA bot. That's got a maximum open positions number of 6. We've not hit that 6 figure yet. So we reduced that twice over the last couple of weeks, from 20 to 10, now down to 6. We're just going to keep our eye on that. Hopefully, if we see a pullback in the market and another leg up after that pullback, then that maybe test this bot a little bit more. So we're going to leave that as it is. We do have a Bybit 20x cross bot. It has made $10. I removed the subscription and re-added it. We can go take a look at that in a minute. And then we've got this Binance multi-condition bot. Now we can see an error on that. We can have a look at that in a minute. But if I just jump quickly into subscriptions, you can see here the Bybit 20x cross so far has a P&L of $10 from the 26th of December through till the 14th of Jan. And again, we've just set that subscription up again today because we paused it. So if we take a quick look at positions, we've not got a lot of positions open at the minute, but what you can see is that error relates to PHA USDT. What looks like's happened here is when the order's been filled, it's only been partially filled. And as a result of it being partially filled, it doesn't meet the minimum requirement to sell at the take profit. So I think the take profit on this is 2%, and 2% increase on $6.39 doesn't take us to 10, and the minimum trade volume on Binance is 10. So we're going to have a look and see what we want to do with that. We've left it running for now, initially in the hope that it would go back down and fill the volume, but we are 10% up on that now, so maybe we just leave that to run. But beyond that, everything else, pretty much in the green. We do have this pair here that's made 2 safety orders against 3. So just jumping back very quickly and looking at the number for the month so far. So we're at $158 with just over 2 weeks left to go. So that could be a nice, $300, potentially $300 month in the longs, with a projected month of amount of 240 in the shorts and the BTC build bot. So it's still, despite the losses today and this week, the small loss this week, it's still looking like it's potentially going to be a good month. So that just about covers the update for this week. If you want to talk about DCA bots in more detail, you've got ideas or pairs that you want to test, etc., by all means, please come and join us in the Realistic Crypto Discord group. I've left a link to that in the description below. So that's everything for this video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.